The side of the world which does not want peace are the ones who enjoy peace. The side of the world who wants war are the ones who send war to the other world. Look at the United States, United Kingdom, and Russia. They have the world's most powerful military system. And for you to have the world's most powerful military system, it means that you are interested in fighting. While here in Africa and other low-developed countries like South America, people only want to have peace and survive. But in the end, the USA, the UK, and Russia don't have war in their country. Instead, the other people who don't have the weapons to fight are the ones who are fighting. So if we are to analyze and summarize it, it is those who want war who enjoy peace. They send war to other people to steal their properties by causing conflict. Thank you.